You're just gonna tell me this over the phone?
Oh, you're trying to pull that card.
There's no more you and me. That old fairy tale, it's all over.
Hello, it's Mom. I'm at home. Can you believe I'm getting in this late? But guess what? I finally found the TV remote. Yay!
No, darling, don't touch that.
It was under the sofa, right at the back. But I did look there though. I know you're busy. I'm quite busy too, actually. Or they've rearranged things at work again, so nothing very interesting.
Welcome to this very serious job interview. I want to know everything about you.
Okay, well, I
Boring. Okay, thank you.
Thinking about you very much.
Why do you want to know
Very,
if I'm
very
married?
One
much.
more question. Come on.
No, wait, to help me. You're just messing around.
I saw that picture you shared. Your hair is getting so long. Are you still using my lavender shampoo?
Hey, no.
Okay, miss you very much. Call me when you can. This is Mom.